Okay, so you'll need a small Phillips or Star screwdriver. Get it in there. And off it comes. That gets laid aside. That goes there. And then this, you'll see there's two. Turn the light on. Yeah, there you go. You'll see these two holes. And then that just snaps onto the holes. Don't think it matters which way. Just like that. Okay, so there's the complete locomotive. Now, at first glance, this isn't really flashy, but there's a lot of detail in it, and it's very high quality. I don't know if you can see here. There's actually a little grid, like a screen, over top here. I'm going to weather that a slightly different color to give it some contrast. But if you look down in there, you can see the DCC stuff. The detailing is great. You've got these side panels. Again, I'm gonna weather these a little bit. Okay, got railings all around. They're painted when they're supposed to be painted. Got nice road number here. What is it? 1003. And lights front and back. Couplers are good quality. And there's a figure. I don't know if you can see him. There you go. Yeah, you can see him. There's a figure already painted, inside, ready to go. All right. So I have to confess, I did take this out already and checked it over. Ran it for a little bit. It's a good runner, good puller, and I'm pretty happy. So we'll set this aside. As part of the same order, I'm in Canada, so they not only charge you a shipping fee, they charge you an international handling fee. So I ordered 2 each of these, just regular, short containers, and they can go anywhere on the layout. So no complaints there. Walthers is a great company, but I'm going to have to say, if you're in Canada or not in the United States and you order direct from Walthers, first of all, you're going to get charged in US dollars. Fair enough, Second of all, as I said, you're going to get charged not only the postage fee, but the quote-unquote international handling fee, which is about $35 US. Handling fee or postage fee is $10, and then the international handling is $35. At the time of purchase, I wasn't charged PST or GST. So when the box arrived in Canada, customs tagged it for $33.02 Canadian GST and PST, and also charged me a $10 handling fee. I wasn't impressed. I don't know what you pay our taxes for, but anyways. So, all right. So the whole thing ended up costing me way more than I expected. All right. So just beware of that. I get most of my stuff from Amazon or the local hobby shop, or like everybody else, garage sales or whatever the case may be. One of the reasons I like Amazon, yes, they don't have everything, and some things, yes, you do have to go direct to the manufacturer for, or an online store in your own country. When I researched it, there wasn't really any difference as far as the price goes by the time you figured it all out. US dollars or Canadian dollars, it's all figured out, and stuff costs what it costs. And shipping is shipping. So just bear in mind that it might end up a lot more costly than you think. But I'm pleased with the loco. It's everything it said it was, and I'm going to look forward to running it on the layout. All right, so that's it for this one, and just a short one. I hope that the volume issues have been fixed, and I ditched the foam thing, so I think it's coming across clearer. And also, I apologize if you are watching one of my videos on YouTube and you have to have the volume up. I'm really sorry if a commercial comes on in the middle and just blasts your ears. I've taken a couple of videos out of public view to see what I can do about that kind of thing. So anyways, that's it for now, and we'll see you next time. Have a bit of a surprise. All right. Well, thanks again. Thanks to my subscribers. And I hope you'll find the channel more and more interesting as time goes by.